$20,000 out of pocket option this morning. And here's the part that's going to sound backwards. June was my lowest win rate in months, 57%. And it was still my biggest month of the year so far. Let me show you exactly how that happens. All right, so here's June, top to bottom. Net profit, $27,900. 244 trades, 57% win rate. Now sit with that 57 for a second. That's the lowest I've run in a good while. Back in May, I was up around 62. So how does a worse win rate turn into a bigger month? That's the whole video. But first, let's do the thing you actually clicked for. Balance is sitting just under 70,000 right now, 69,787 to be exact. 20,000 comes out today, close to 50 stays on the account. Why it stays? That clicks once I show you the trades. USDT on the Tron network, like always. Wallet address, amount, 20,000, confirm, done. Request is in. Screenshot of it landing goes up later once it clears. All right, easier to show than to talk about it. 3 trades from June, and honestly, they tell the whole story of how a worse win rate still printed the biggest month. So, trade 1, this one's from the middle of the month. We've got a downtrend on the chart, and price keeps reacting to this one support level over and over, almost drawing out a triangle, right? That first bounce left a big wick, and that gave me a support zone to actually work inside. So price breaks the level, comes back to retest it, and that retest is my entry. I broke this exact triangle setup down in another video, by the way. Cards up top if you want the full thing. Confirmation was the Aroon down here. Red line pinned up at the highs, blue one not updating. Sellers still running it. I took it for 6 candles, 12 minutes, so expiration lands right inside that support zone. Price holds the move clean, closes green. 549 in, 88% payout, came back just over 1,000. And this is the first step of a triplet. Quick one before the next trade. I trade these live, Monday through Friday. If you want to sit in on the sessions, it's Telegram and Discord. Links in the description. It's free. Now trade 2. And I'm going to show you a loss right here, on purpose. Perfect setup on paper. This is exactly the kind of trade that made June a 57% month instead of a 62. Another downtrend. There'd been a triangle up above that already played out, and it left this clean trend line behind. So price pulls back into that trend line, and that's where I take it. Stochastic was oversold too, so the pullback should be ending and price should roll back down with the trend. I gave it 20 minutes, plenty of room for the move to develop. Sell. And then price just stalls. Sits in a consolidation, grinds off its oversold reading, does nothing. Last candle, closes red, 396, gone. This one's from early in the month, so the size is still small, but everything checked out before the entry, the move just didn't show up. That right there is your 57%. And there were a lot of these in June. It happens. I'm not going to sit here and blame the charts. Some months, the rhythm just goes the other way. Red weeks are part of it, and the sizing is what keeps a rough patch from turning into a hole. So how'd your month go? Close calls right on the edge or smooth as usual? Drop it in the comments. Really curious. All right, trade 3. And this is the kind of trade that carries a low win rate month. Global downtrend again. Price impulses up into the next resistance level, consolidates for a bit, then gives me that reaction back down. Entries on the bounce off the level, right as volatility picks back up. MACD was rolling over too, lining up for the move down, sell. 12 minutes down. Now the trade amount on this one was 2,184. Big one, I know. So here's where that number comes from. It's the last step of a triplet. Most of that amount is the payout I already won on the steps before it, plus about 15% of my own on top. My own risk stays flat the whole way. The winnings do the scaling. I'm not doubling my own money. And the triplet starts from a bigger base now because the account's been growing all year. Bigger base, bigger last step. The losing trades scale up too, by the way. It cuts both ways. Anyway, this one holds clean, 85% payout, came back just over 4,000, about 1,800 in profit on one trade. So that's the answer to the whole video. The hit rate's lower, sure, but across the month, a handful of these bigger closes carry the whole stack of small red ones. It's the math over 200 trades, not any single one. Okay, quick update before we wrap. Withdrawal landed at the end of today's session, 20,000 in USDT, right there in the wallet. Everything went through clean. Screenshots up right now. So that's June. Lowest win rate in months, biggest month of the year so far, 20,000 out. Nothing changed in the strategy. The account just got big enough that the triplets carry real size now. That's it, guys. My trades, the bot, the strategies, everything's in my Telegram and Discord. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and be in touch.